EWM22A-4009000BWL22S supports Bluetooth BLE, Wi-Fi, and LoRa communication, mainly suitable for data transmission application scenarios. This tutorial is used to guide our company's EWM22A-xxBWL22S use LoRa or UART transparent transmission mode and WOR mode with E22T series modules. We need to use the following materials. First, we will perform the wiring operation for the product. Connect the 2.4 grams antenna to the IPX interface. Then connect the 433 meters antenna to the SMA interface of the test suite. Use a Type-C to USB cable to connect the test suite to the computer. Note that the TX ARX pins on the factory E15 test board are short-circuited by default. Remove the jumper cap in advance before use. Insert the E22 module into the E15 test board as shown in the diagram. Connect the 433 meters antenna here. Then connect the test board to the computer. Now we have completed all wiring steps for the device. Next, perform parameter configuration for EWM22A-xxBWL22S. Open the Serial Port Debugging Assistant XCOM on the computer and use the module's default serial port parameter 115208N1 to open the serial port. Pay attention to checking the timestamp and unchecking the WOR drap. Send the command as shown in the figure to switch to configuration mode. Send the command as shown in the figure to switch the module to WOR sender, which is used to wake up the E22 module in WOR mode. Send the command as shown in the figure to switch to LoRa or UART transparent transmission mode and WOR mode and Wi-Fi BLE, and both will be turned off. The module will reply that the switch is successful, and a restart operation will be automatically performed when the module switches modes, so there is no need to worry about the parameters not taking effect. Next, configure the E22 module. Double-click to open the RF setting E22E9XSL software. Remove the M1 jumper cap. Keep the MO jumper cap inserted. Select the corresponding serial port, open the serial port, and click Read Parameters to read the current parameters of the module. We need to note that airspeed, packet length, transmission method, channel, network ID, key, and module address need to be the same as the EWM22A-400BWL22S module. We can see that the factory default parameters of the E22 module meet the requirements, so we use these default parameters for communication. We modify the serial port baud rate of the E22 module to 115,200, the WOR cycle to 4000 ms, and the WOR roll to receiver. Click to write parameters. After successful writing, close the RF setting E22E9XSL software. Open the Serial Debugging Assistant XCOM again, select the serial port corresponding to the E22 module, and open it using the factory baud rate of 9608N1. Please check hex and uncheck WOR drap. Send instruction C0090 to 0BB8 to activate wake up with a delay of 3 seconds. Insert the M1 jumper cap. Now demonstrating pass-through. Now let's perform a transparent transmission demonstration. Modify the serial port assistant corresponding to the EWM22A module to use the factory baud rate of 115,208N1 to open it. Send data to EWM22A in the serial port debugging assistant corresponding to the E22 module, and EWM22 will receive the data. EWM22 will send the data 3 seconds after receiving it, and the E22 module will receive the data.